Shaka, aloha, welcome back to Makaz Home. It's Maka, and I'm just here with a really quick share. I need to get this off in the mail. It is a memory decks that I am entering for a giveaway challenge, and it is Creations Handmade. It's Caroline's Creations Handmade here on YouTube. And she actually is celebrating 6,000 subbies, and so she's doing a giveaway, and in order to be entered you need to send her a memory dex. So this is my entrance. This is my entry. Let me take it out because of the glare. And I just put some flat back pearls in it just to, you know, make it fun. But here is the entry, and I just die cut out this Aloha. I have these Prima flowers I've had in my stash for a while, and I just layered them. I got this printout from the internet, and I'm not sure what website, but it's a free image that I just fussy cut out. I got this from a topper for a cupcake, and I just backed it with a crepe paper rosette and added some eyelash trim in the back. And then she wanted us to include some certain information on the back, which I did. And so yes, this is my entry. I am going to get it all packaged up with some goodies to help her celebrate her 6,000 subbies. Thank you, Carolina, for hosting this giveaway, and congratulations on your 6,000 subbies. So if you don't know Carolina, I would suggest you go over to her channel and peruse some of her videos. She does do a lot of tutorials and shares a lot of project shares. She's very inspirational. She is, again, Carolina's Creations Handmade here on YouTube. And thank you for stopping by here at Makaz Home. I appreciate you coming by. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Again, I appreciate you stopping by. Mahalo and have a great day. Shakas!